I learned this new hack that is very necessary for your curly hair, and I'm going to show you these hacks in this tutorial. So to revamp your curly hair, the first thing I'm going to do is to wash the hair. I'm going to completely get this hair drenched with water, and after I've completely wet the hair, I'm going to proceed next to wash it with this Flawless Curls Coconut Essence Conditioner from Tresemme, and it's going to provide this hair with intense moisture. Because one thing about dry curly hair is that most times you don't get to apply any serums on it. We typically just wear it out, and the most of what we probably do to maintain our curly hairs is just wet it and put a leave-in conditioner. But in this video, I'm going to really moisturize this curly hair so that it's not prone to dryness and breakage. After I finish washing the hair with that shampoo that I used, I'm going to rinse off the shampoo from the hair. From the way the water looks, the water coming out from the hair, it's obvious that this wig is clean, so it doesn't need that much washing. All I'm going to do next is just rinse off the entire water from the hair. Then I'll proceed to conditioning the hair. If you're watching this video so far and you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, sis bro, come on, join the family. Click on the subscribe button right below, and also turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Next, I'm going to condition the hair using this Tresemme 24 hours volume conditioner. And after applying that conditioner to the hair, I'm also going to reach out for my anti-breakage conditioner to further add more moisture to the hair after I've finished massaging that conditioner all over this hair. So this is the other conditioner, the anti-breakage conditioner. I just applied a little bit of it, and I'm going to massage it all through the hair. And after massaging it all through the hair, I'm going to take another argan oil keratin treatment, which is good for colored hair, because this particular hair is brown in color. So I just apply that product all over the hair, and I'm going to massage it all through because it's going to help me moisturize the hair, ensure that it's really soft. Next, I'm going to massage the product all over the entire hair. Next, I'm going to reach out for my castor oil. Yes, we are going to apply our castor oil in our curly wig because your curly wigs need oil. Yes, it needs oils, or else the hair is going to be drying out. So I'm going to just pour that castor oil all over the hair on both sides, and I'm going to use my hand to just massage the oil all over the hair, and then get my hairbrush and start detangling the hair from the tip and take it all the way to the top of the hair to ensure that all the products that I put into this hair to deep condition it, to condition the hair, to moisturize it, that the oil really stays in there. And I went back in and I poured more castor oil all over the hair, and I went in with my fingers to further just ensure that the entire product goes all over all the strands of the hair. And after I've done this, what I'm going to do next is just brush through the hair again and just show you what the hair looks like. Just see how juicy the curls are, just see how beautiful and healthy the hair looks. I'm going to leave the hair in this bowl, but guess what? Instead of using hot water to steam the hair, I'm going to use ice. Have you ever tried using ice instead of hot water on your wigs before? We're going to try out ice on our wig, and we get to see what the turnout is going to be, if it makes any difference, if it makes the hair look better compared to when I use hot water. So I'm going to pour the ice in there and leave that wig inside of the ice. I'm going to leave that wig inside of the ice overnight. Then the following day, I would rinse it off and air dry the hair, and then show you guys what the wig looks like. But yeah, all of the conditioner, the deep conditioner and the castor oil is still on the hair. So this is what the hair looks like the following morning. Of course, the ice has melted. So what I'm going to do right about now is just brush through the hair and then rinse off the product that is still in this hair. But right now, I'm quite sure the strands of the hair, all the hair has really absorbed the conditioner and the castor oil, and the hair is a whole lot more healthy, unlike how it was before. The thing about using hot water is that hot water opens the cuticles, while cold water sort of closes it. So with the ice I put there and the products that I left in the hair overnight, it sort of just is making the products to enter into the cuticles of the hair, and while the cold water is closing the cuticles, the product is also still inside of the hair. So it's more like cold water is going to lock in all the products that I've used on this hair. So that's the essence. That one makes a difference in this particular tutorial right here. So I'm just trying to rinse off the entire product from the hair to ensure that the hair is well rinsed and there's no product buildup that is trapped on any part of this wig. So I'm going to rinse it off completely, brush through the hair, pour out the water, put new water if necessary, and then just air dry the hair. Then I'll show you what the hair looks like after I air dry it. So this is what the hair looks like. You can just see the difference. The hair is shiny, it looks healthy, the curls look juicy. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. So all I have to do right now is just change the elastic band, because my clients complained that the elastic band on this particular wig is too big. So I just took out the old elastic band and I'm going to change it to the new elastic band, which is the adjustable elastic band. This particular one right here is not the adjustable elastic band, so I'm just going to cut it out and then sew down the adjustable elastic band on this wig and then proceed to styling this week. If you're watching this video so far and you haven't purchased my ebooks, how to start your hair business, the second ebook, hair extensions and how to test its quality, please click the link in my bio, or rather in the description box. You would see links to where you can purchase my ebooks, and even the paperback is also available on Amazon. That's for the how to start your hair business book. It's available on Amazon. So if you want the paperback, you can purchase it from Amazon and it will be delivered to you wherever you are in the world. Yes, so thank you so much for supporting. And if you want to buy wigs from my business, please send an email. Send an email, rather message me on Instagram at ENL Beauty Hair on Instagram, or just go on my website. Currently right now we have Valentine's sales going on my website, or you can even send a DM on Instagram. We have 20,000 naira off all the wigs that we have. The reality is that right now doing these discount sales is not really favorable for me, because the exchange rate in Nigeria in terms of the dollar to naira rate is going higher and higher on a daily basis. And doing these sales at the point in time that I'm currently doing it makes no sense, because the cost of the hair extension is going higher and higher because of the exchange rate, because the rate I bought these hair extensions at is lower compared to what I'll have to purchase it at when I want to restock. So if you miss these sales, man, I just pray that you make more money so that you'll be able to buy the wig at the new prices, because of course the prices are going to go higher because of the exchange rate issues. Because let's say you bought the hair at, let's say I bought the hair at 1,000 when the rate was, let's say, 1,500, and then the next time I want to restock the hair, the rate is at 1,700 naira. So it means that I would even need more money to purchase the same goods that I had sold before. So you'll be thinking that you're in profit, but you find out that when you want to go and buy back your product again, you're already at a loss, and you don't even have sufficient money to buy the same product that you bought before. So that's the issue we're having right now in Nigeria with your exchange rate disparity. So back to styling this hair. For styling the closure area, you notice that I sprayed my heat protectant spray, and I also applied hair wax to lay the short flyaway hairs down. And I'm using this hot comb to comb through the hair around the closure area to lay the hair to be flat and smooth. And this is a very easy process, guys. It's very easy. So I went back in with my T-pin to just ensure that the pattern on this hair is very straight and smooth. I know the beauty of how this closure is that I can easily style it as a C-part. I think I really like the way the hair looked when it was initially like a C-part before. I really liked how it looked. But it's something my clients can always go back to. She can decide to style it as a C-part. She can decide to style it as a middle part. She can decide to style it as a side part, like I'm currently doing right now, as a straight side part. Whatever it is that she wants to do with this hair, she can easily do with it, whatever she pleases. So guys, we are basically done with this tutorial, because after styling this closure area and we already changed the elastic band, what I'm going to do next is just apply this foundation right here on the pattern area, so that when she puts the wig on her head, it looks more natural, because this is actually like a skin shade. So when she wears the wig on her head, it's going to look like, oh, it's like a natural hair. It's going to look like, have that natural hair look. That's on the lace area. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm just using the end of that tail comb to just run through the hair to sort of detangle the hair a little bit, because you notice that the wig looked fuller when I hadn't washed it on, like how it looks now after I've washed it, because it seems like the curls are asleep, everything is just laying down. But as she begins to wear the wig, of course the curls are going to loosen back up and the hair is going to become a lot more fluffy. But for now, let the curls be sleeping. I love how healthy the hair looks. I like how the hair has a natural shine to it right now, and I love how healthy and beautiful the hair looks. And I've used my scissors to trim off the part of the hair that looks a bit longer, but I said let's just leave it like that because I don't want a situation whereby I trim the hair, my client comes back saying that I cut her hair too short. So I just left it as it is. So guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to share this video with somebody who is going to learn something from it. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. This is where we started from, and you can see where we ended at. Check out my other videos, guys. I love you. Bye, love.